folks. A large pepperoni pizza.
And a Pepsi, please.
A Pepsi. Sure thing, Charlie.
Government broadcast. This is an official message from L.S.B. A Class Requiem paranormal entity has been confirmed. The entity has been identified as Chariot Requiem. Anyone observing a black armored humanoid wearing a perforated helmet may be exposed to the anomaly. Description: Name: Chariot Requiem. Classification: Autonomous paranormal entity. Threat level: Catastrophic. Behavior: Indirectly hostile. Known objective: Absolute protection of an unidentified object designated as the Arrow. Observed effects: When Chariot Requiem manifests, all civilians within the affected area immediately lose consciousness. Moments later, their souls no longer occupy their original bodies. Every victim awakens inside someone else's body. Animals are also affected. Warning: Do not trust a face. The body standing before you may no longer belong to its original owner. Anyone claiming to be your relative must be treated as unidentified until verified. L.S.B. has issued a list of instructions and guidelines that must be strictly followed. Remain indoors. Lock all entrances. Avoid crowds. Do not pursue the entity. Prohibited actions. The following actions are strictly forbidden. Approaching Chariot Requiem. Recording the entity within 200 meters. Spreading false identity reports. Leaving quarantine zones. Moving unconscious individuals without medical authorization. If you awaken inside another body, remain calm. Immediately state your full name, your date of birth, your occupation, your last memory before losing consciousness. L.S.B. personnel will begin the identification process. If a child possesses an adult's memories, do not assume psychological distress. The anomaly is genuine. Contact L.S.B. immediately. Message to law enforcement. Lethal force has proven ineffective. The entity displays no signs of fatigue. It continues its mission without interruption. Conventional military operations have failed. Final message. Your identity is no longer defined by your face. Trust neither appearances nor your own reflection. Thank you for listening to this tape. We hope you survive.